In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a website with AI in GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your account dashboard. From there, find Aero, which is GoDaddy's AI website creation tool. You can usually access it from the dashboard or from the website creation section. Once you open it, choose the option to create a new website. Next, enter your business name, brand name, or the name you want to use for your website. After that, select the category or industry that best matches your website. This helps the AI understand the type of site you want to build. You may also be asked to provide more details about your business, your services, your products, or the goals of your website. Enter the requested information carefully so the AI can generate a more accurate result. After you submit those details, allow Aero to create your website. The tool will generate a layout, suggested pages, and starter content based on the information you provided. When the website is ready, take time to review everything on the screen. Look through the page structure, text suggestions, and overall layout to make sure it fits your brand and purpose. Once the initial site is generated, begin customizing it. Edit the text so it better reflects your business and message. Replace any images that do not match your brand. You can also add, remove, or rearrange sections as needed. Then move on to the design settings. Update the colors, fonts, theme, and other branding elements so the site has a consistent look. If needed, add more pages or update the default ones. Common pages include home, about, services, and contact, but you can create any additional pages your website requires. After that, preview the website in both desktop and mobile views. This is important for checking how the layout appears on different screen sizes and making sure everything looks clean and easy to use. Next, open the website settings and complete any remaining information required for your site. Once you have finished reviewing and customizing everything, save your changes. Then click Publish to make the website live. Wait for the publishing process to finish, and then open the live site to confirm that it is accessible online and working correctly. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.